In today's video, I have a dramatic black and white credenza styling and also a new furniture delivery, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you return as a family member. I thought I would do a dramatic credenza. After clearing the credenza and giving it a quick cleaning, I came in with some decorative books that I had on hand, purchased from Amazon. Then I came in with some beautiful clearance from Home Goods black candle stands with crystal in the base and some black candles. But it was missing something for me. It needed some extra drama, so I came back in with a Temu runner with the sparkly sequin effect, and that gave it that little bling, that little extra touch, that little something, honey, that it needed, and I loved it. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your opinions. Should I have left it without the runner? Let me know. For the final touches, I came in with a black and white pitcher and complimentary plate, which I added to a cake stand. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. So stop by the playlist for some awesome tablescape ideas. right here, Chief.
I got
Didn't I say it was the perfect size? It looks a lot browner. Didn't it look more grayer in the store? Looks a lot more brown than gray. Is it the same? I thought it was gray. I thought so too. Are you sure this is the right one? Okay, let me tell you the drama about this entryway piece. I purchased this piece at Almost Perfect Furniture. It's the perfect size, but in the showroom, it looked like a charcoal gray. I'm not sure if it was the lighting or what it was, but when it arrived, it was this brown. Nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't match the aesthetic that I'm going for in my new home. I lived with it for a couple of days, thought I might get used to it. No, it did not happen. It had to go back. So I returned to Almost Perfect Furniture and I found another piece. Now, this one is the perfect color. It's a little farmhouse, but I don't mind that. It has the bar in the center, a drawer at the top, and 2 storage cabinets that are nice and roomy. So it'll be perfect for storing extra decor and also my liquor storage. So stay tuned for the delivery, honey, because it's on its way.
So I just need to collect a signature right here on the X.
Yay! Big shout outs to Almost Perfect Furniture. In the end, they took back the first piece, which was only at the house for 2 days, and I got this second piece, which is absolutely perfect. The right color, the right size, and the right amount of storage. I am so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time.